Guys, with time, as so many things have changed, and with so many things, even women have changed, and with the changing times, it is very necessary that we men also must change. We must change how we take women and how we deal with them in modern time. I'm going to tell you the better way of dealing with modern women in this video. So, the very first thing you need to learn about modern women is no woman is single. Even if a woman tells you she is single, don't believe her because she's just lying to you. She's lying to you to give you an illusion of one itis and most probably just to play a game with you to entertain herself. Guys, these days women have an army of men in their mobile phone, Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Facebook, dating sites. Uh, Guys, women have never been this much bombarded with options ever before. So the very first thing you need to know about modern women is she's not single and she has too many options available for her. And thus, even if she tells you or try to show to you that she's single and you are the only guy she's talking to, never believe her words. Guys, even an ugly looking chick has hundreds of men in her DMs, and thus this is very first thing you need to tell yourself and need to change yourself accordingly, that a woman is never single and you are not the only guy she is talking to. Second thing you need to tell yourself is never take any women seriously. As I just told to you, just because women has plenty of options available these days, she also doesn't want to stick to one guy only. Why? Because obviously different men bring different benefits for her. Women know men are caring and helpful by nature. And when you can have different men of different benefits, why to leave any? Anyways, thus in such case, being a man, if you start taking any woman seriously, you will hurt yourself. I mean, she may also act in a way and try to show to you that she really likes you and she really loves you, because obviously she doesn't want to leave you. You might fall for her fake words and starts attaching unnecessary expectations with her, and then if suddenly you will come to know that there are 10, 20 more other guys she is giving equal amount of time, frankness and friendliness to, you will be hurt. And thus it is better if you know the secret of women right before falling for this game of theirs, and stay solid like rock with them without involving too much of emotions and holding unnecessary expectations from them. Now this is another important thing you need to know. Earlier, when women didn't have so much of options available for her, she used to expect all attention and caring from one man only, but these days her DMs are full of it, and resultantly she doesn't value too much of caring and chivalry anymore. It doesn't even mean anything for her. In fact, these days, just because so many men are already putting in efforts to win her, if you will also try to do the same, she will not value it much and she will put you in another creep in the list. Too much of caring will portray you as a clingy guy, and they fear the clingy guys the most. These days, women prefer men who can challenge them and who are not easily available for them, men who don't submit to them easily, men who can stay aloof and distant, because it builds a certain amount of mystery and curiosity about that guy. Women love men who can very easily walk away from them, who don't build any unnecessary emotional attachment with them. Guys, as soon as any girl looks at you, she immediately scans you to put you in either of the two categories. Whether you are a cool and strong headed guy or you are a weak, needy kind of guy. If you give her boyfriend or husband vibes, she will immediately take herself away from you. On the other hand, if she gets the player kind of energy and vibes from you, then you stand better chance with her. She knows no matter what she does with you, you will not cling on to her. You will never be a burden on her. You will not flinch even a bit, even if she moves ahead in her life, leaving you behind and cut all her contacts with you. Like everybody else, women also don't want any unnecessary baggage or burdens. They also want to stay free, and therefore, the guys who act hard and show mental coolness always win over guys who are putting in efforts to win her and giving her very beta kind of energy. As I just told to you, she doesn't want a guy who will cling on to her. It will work in your favor if you give her a feeling that even if she fucks you, you will stay detached. This is the most important thing you need to learn, is to stay away from her and not to build any emotional attachment with her. Never chase them, never be too available to them, never act needy and desperate with them, never hold any long-term expectations from them. Just stay cool in every situation and be very emotionally strong and stable as a rock, and never contact them too much. You do not need to find out where is she, what is she doing. If she wants to, she will herself call to inform you, and even if she doesn't, even if she stops calling you totally, it should not make any effect on you. So the guys, two things: first, no women are single, they have army of men in their phone. Second, they don't value caring and chivalry anymore. They prefer men who are not clingy and needy and who are solid like rock, men who can walk away from them any moment of time. Now the third important thing you need to know about women, modern women, is gone are the days when women used to stay shy and used to fear approaching men. These days it is not like this. If some woman somewhere finds you attractive or interesting, she will herself approach you. However, being a woman, many of them will try to friend zone you, because first thing, for women, male attention is more important than sex. I'm not saying she doesn't enjoy sex. Women also enjoy sex, but the thing is, they crave man's attention more than actual sex. You all must know this one difference between men and women. We men do everything to win sex from women, whereas women give sex to men to win his attention. She craves and enjoys male attention as much as we men enjoy sex, and thus she may try to friendzone you to win your attention without giving you sex, as it is a very human instinct to try to get more for less, and thus she may also try to do that with you. She may also try to get that male attention from you without giving you sex. Being a man, it is your responsibility to get sex from her. Being a man, you need to make sure that you don't let any women be your friend without she getting physical with you. Being a man, you need to make sure you never let any woman get your attention without she giving you sex. You never do a deal which keeps you in loss. You never give them what they crave for without getting from them what you crave for. So what you need to do, as soon as some women start showing interest in you and start trying to build friendship with you, you start putting in efforts to escalate for sex. Immediately show her your intention right from the beginning without wasting much of the time. Guys, the women, they know how much we men love sex. Still, many of them try to keep most of us men in their friend zone. And you do a huge mistake if you stay in their friends list only and don't try to escalate. You must know this secret of women, that they love male attention as much as we love sex, and no woman can do without men. Now it is up to you how much you make her pay for your company and attention. And if she really needs you and likes you, believe me, she will give sex to you. However, it will depend on how much she needs you or how much she likes you, and how easily you fall for her. If you will get available to her for free without making her give sex to you, it will be your loss. Another thing is, you need to make sure from your side that you need to show your intentions to her without making her believe that you are a creep and needy kind of guy, like there are so many other guys who start acting needy and clingy to women. And the way to do that is to become least available to her. Yes, keep getting aloof and away from them. Keep on giving them time and space to miss you. I would recommend you never text her or call her from your side ever. Be in your frame and be busy in your life all the time. It will show to her that you don't need her and you don't miss her, and you're not desperate for her like other guys. And now the ball will be in her court. Obviously, it's women who are the gatekeeper of sex, and you have also left it in her hand by showing her your intention of sex and not chasing her from your side at the same time. You are not going after her, you are not forcing her for anything. Now, if she really needs you, she really likes you, she will come and give sex to you. You have already showed to her she needs to do sex with you to be in your company. Moreover, your cool and calm way of dealing with her will also make you stand apart from many other guys who try very hard to win women's company and start troubling them for it. On the contrary, to it. If in case she doesn't need you that much or like you that much, then in that case obviously she will not go for sex. And just because you have not built she will not go for sex, she will not give you sex. However, just because you have not built any emotional attachment with her, just because you have already stayed aloof and distant from her, it will not affect you at all. Now, another important thing you need to understand here: being a man, you do not need to depend on one woman only for your physical wants. Yes, as you know, it is not easy to win and then keep a woman with you these days. Women are free and independent, and she can have a change of mind at any time and can decide to leave you any day, anytime. It is very compulsory for us men to build a very indifferent and stoic attitude towards them. You never give too much of importance to just one girl only. You never build too intense emotional attachment, and don't ever depend on just one girl only. Like all these modern women, you also keep your options open and be very casual with quenching your booty call wherever, whenever, with whoever you can. Like these women, you also keep your options open and ready. So in the end, if I summarize everything, first, no woman is single. They all have army of men in their phone. Second, never take any woman seriously. Stay distant and be emotionally detached from all the women. Third, they will try to friend zone you. Being a man, it's up to you to show to them your intention of sex. It's you who will have to make sure that you will not be available to them without sex. Fourth, never make any woman the center of your life. Never get too dependent on one woman only for anything. Like them, you also keep your options open and be ready and be very casual with quenching your thirst of sex wherever, whenever, with whoever you can. So, guys, those were 3 or 4 secrets of the modern women that I just shared with you in the video. I hope you have been able to understand my message. You all are free to share your opinion and views on it in my comment section down below. And also don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you keep on getting future notifications. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, hasta la vista. Peace.